Bayot tsaka.
So today we are going to the Eco Park for another lab activity.
Yes, another activity. We're gonna collect ants.
Hi mo di, hi.
Weather reporter, man. Hello, weather reporter. I think they're showing us the way. Huh? Nandes ka?
Hapak, uy! Hapak ko ni Nighty, guys.
Wala tayo klase sa chem, bro.
Crispy, part 2! Among an Airlines. Thank you for boarding Among an Airlines. Please fasten your seatbelts and enjoy your flight.
Kikita ka mo yabe.
7. 6, 7. 53. 17. Ay, na-i-disturb.
Mura lagi nagkatungsong sa IDB. No, mauna to.
Pila man?
Among leader.
18?
Say hi, our leader.
Hello.
Hey, she's the leader.
18? Pasamino daw ko.
Substitute na pag Nilbin. Sa pan sugar.
Huwag pa nakakount sa 90
Yan po na. Oh, yan para.
Mama nasa Sims man nasa Sims. Ay, oh, bitaw. Sa Sims? Sa Sims? Ang kama ano kay kani?
104.
Ha?
Sa 6 minutes, 104.
333?
Sa sugar, ay sa...
Wagi na lang na pila man to.
Kanang mo ko.
Ano na.
Pila may idugang.
Na, 24 na lang akong gidugang. I don't care.
24. Kung sa giingon ni Mano. Per add like 2 or 3 na lang for koan.
For realistic purposes,
Yes.
fine. 26 na lang.
Silencer. Avada Kedavra!
Di pa si Lian okay. Manager koan go watch og koan.
Harry Potter.
Ano na number?
Jud mo.
In the habitat.
Ay, dili na ko ma-post.
Ay, sorry.
Demonetize tama, di ba?
Flip mo.
Flip.
In the habitat
Pamalikas daw.
of night.
As you can see, in the habitat
Ako di mo redacted.
In the habitat.
Look at this. Crikey! It's a natural 90 in its natural habitat. Counting 5 million ants in one sitting. Just like the Rain Man, she can count how many there is by only a glance.
Ito di gawas nga kuhan.
Sure na. Be careful not to alarm the creature. She can chase you up to 5 miles an hour.
191.
Wow!
Guys, wala yung nag-count ng sugar water.
Guys, mag
Oh, suko na si leader. Suko na si leader. Hoy, suko na si leader.
Ba't ko di ko kaya kay maliban.
Ang sugar water sa 2 minutes ba?
Sugar water isa.
Kung wala ka nang makapitan, kapit ka sa
Wow, may pa-harmony.
kapit ka sa akin, hindi kita bibitawan.
It's a natural Kian emerging from his nest. He comes searching for possible prey. Oh no! Ashanti is seen. He's preparing to lunge. Kumusta namang basa-basa ni mo, Ashanti? Padayon nagbasa!
Di, lumiyan ko sila sa ribis ko. May
As you can see, it's another Nightingale spotted near Caraga State University. She's focusing on counting how much prey she can fit in her mouth. With a mouth with a diameter of 5 inches and a forehead of...
Ikaw ko. 5 inches. Ano ko na?
4 inches yung mouth mo, bro.
4 inches yan.
Standard corrected by our...
Why did Elmo come out?
Pwede na ka mag-elmo.
Wala man. In a world full of narrators.
Ayun na! Ayun na!
In a world full of narrators, the narrated becomes the narration.
We can see here a Rian species, Rianus padillalus, is locking in for our behavioral. This behavior comes in ADHD and monster-induced craziness.
We can see that the Rianus padillus is locking in. You can see that her lips. His lips are moving along while his fingers are typing at the cell phone. Number 1. And you can see the Shantinus hermanus. As you can see,
Drone shot.
Rianus padillus.
Sama na yun.
Itong pani. Dapat dili isa-isahon. Isa-isahon.
So guys, update karon sa among field trip. Field work sa CSU grounds. Mo ni among species called Rianus padillalus. And grabe kay sila ka-locked in sa chismis. Ito lang ako. Hi guys. John! Katugo naman ka.
I don't like spiders! May spiders. Ding da ding, we are... Hala, cardlock din eh.
Mogali.
Would you rather?
Would you rather?
Would you stay?
Ay, wala
would you stay
man!
here for 1
Ay,
million?
Nicolaps man!
Oh.
Pili ta makasulod.
Would you stay?
Kuan man eh! Mo maning shock sa IDV! Yan sila. Biologists in their natural habitat. They are disrupting the environment by... Fly away, my little Akuma, and evilize him. Miraculous.
I think di naman ta mag-show pa tayo sa Caterplata ni.
Here we can see the Manoes maglupayas in his natural habitat. Cute.
Ganahan ko tong carpenter ants kaya magdala sila leaves. Wala. Naamagin sa taas.
Di ba mo anong nagkantag espresso? So hey guys, danami sa among kuan. Danami sa among Ecolab. Na sila dere.
We are done. Come on namin.
We are
the group.
going back to Honolulu.
That Maui Wawi.
We are going to the LSC office to borrow a volleyball. Mag-play mi sa hostel. Kaya wala na po ni Chem today.